What if I told you just $10 a day could change your financial future forever? $10, less than the price of a coffee. Yet, if you start today, in a few years, that small amount could grow into something life-changing. Most people think small money doesn't matter, that $10 a day is too little to make a difference. But they're wrong, and I'm going to show you why. Here's the truth. It's not the size of the investment. It's the consistency. $10 a day doesn't seem like much until you see it over weeks, months, and years. $10 a day becomes $300 a month. That's $3,600 a year, and even that is just the beginning. If you understand the power of compounding, consistency is the secret. Most people wait until they have enough money. $100, $500, $1,000, but waiting only delays results. Small daily investments, repeated every day, have an almost magical effect over time. Let's talk about compound growth. You may have heard it before, but it's simpler than it sounds. Imagine planting a tree. At first, it's just a small seed. You water it every day. You don't see much change at first. But over months and years, it grows, slowly. Then suddenly, it's a tree with strong roots and heavy branches. Money works the same way. Your $10 a day is the seed. Your consistency is the water, and over time, it grows far beyond what you imagine. So, what happens after 1 year? If you invest $10 every day, without fail, at the end of the year, you have $3,600. That's already a solid start, enough to pay off a small debt, start an emergency fund, or reinvest to grow further. But most people don't even reach this stage because they underestimate small steps. After 5 years, things start getting interesting. $10 a day grows into $18,000, and that's without adding extra money. If your investment earns interest, even modest returns, your total grows faster than just your contributions. This is where many beginners are shocked. The amount that seemed tiny starts to feel powerful. Your money begins working for you, instead of the other way around. After 10 years, the numbers become life-changing. $10 a day becomes $36,000 just from saving. And if you include compound growth, it can easily double or triple, depending on returns. Think about it. $10 a day, less than a coffee, becomes tens of thousands. That's why small daily actions matter more than huge one-time investments. Here's the mindset shift most people need. We ignore small investments because they feel insignificant. Our brains are wired to look for immediate results. But the real power is in delayed gratification, in patience, in discipline. Those who start small and stay consistent build wealth others think is impossible. But beginners also make mistakes. They wait to have more money. They're inconsistent, or they fear investing. Every day you delay, your money misses growth. Every day you skip, the compounding effect weakens. The lesson is simple. Start small, start now, and stick to it. So how do you begin with $10 a day? Step 1. Commit. Decide this is non-negotiable. Step 2. Find a safe place to invest or save. It could be a basic savings account, a beginner-friendly fund. Step 3. Set up automatic transfers. Remove the friction. Make $10 a day automatic. Step 4. Track your progress. Watching your small daily steps grow motivates you to continue. Let's be real. This won't make you rich overnight. It takes time. You won't see massive results in a month. Maybe not even in a year, but the power is in sticking with it. Letting your money grow quietly, steadily, behind the scenes. $10 a day, repeated daily, becomes something far bigger than you imagine. Remember this. Small actions, repeated daily, create massive results. Your first $10, your first month, may feel tiny, almost meaningless, but over 5, 10, or 20 years, it shapes your financial future. It builds discipline, awareness, and the confidence that you can grow your money, no matter how small you start. So, start today. No excuses. $10 a day, every day. Plant the seed now, water it consistently, and watch your financial forest grow. Your future self will thank you for starting when you did. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Finrise. We show beginners how to grow money, build habits, and create financial freedom. Step by step, Small daily actions lead to extraordinary results. Don't wait, start today.